Hey, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? This your boy African Elvis. The title of this video is Space is the Real Earth, not Planet Earth. One more time, the title of the video is Space is the Real Earth, not Planet Earth. Now I want you to see these Bible verses.
The Book of Genesis, Chapter 1. In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters.
You see, the Bible says, in the beginning, God created heaven and the earth. And the earth was without void form, and it was void, and darkness was around the face of the deep of the earth. Now I want you to see space. You bet. You see space? It's dark. Just the sun, the moon, and earth. Right? Now I want you to see what it says in Revelation before I start talking. Go ahead.
Revelation 21. And I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth were passed away, and there was no more sea.
It said that a new heaven and a new earth will be created, and the old one will be taken away, and there will be no more seas. The seas represent the planets. Because every planet is a body of water. Do you understand? So now we dive in to our talk. Now what I want to talk to you guys about is this. You see what the Bible says, that there will be, in the beginning, God created heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form, and it was void, and darkness filled the face of the earth. Now, I know that they've told you guys for years that planet Earth, this planet Earth that we're in right now, they seem recording in right now that we're living in, is Earth. And there's no other creatures but planet Earth. You feel me? There's no other aliens but planet Earth. People living on planet Earth. I want to come to I want to dismantle that belief. Because you see, I showed you space was dark. The key word is it was formless and void, and darkness was on the face of the earth. Darkness was on the face of the earth. And the waters represent the planets. Feel me? So you see space, I showed you space earlier. See how space is dark. You know that space is dark. The Bible said the earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep of the earth. So he was talking about space. The whole space, the whole entire galaxy, or the whole space, or the whole universe is space. That is Earth. Earth is big. Earth is massive. It is not planet Earth. They made it planet Earth to deceive you. but it is not planet Earth. You need to understand that. You feel me? You need to understand that it is not planet Earth. They made the planet Earth to deceive you, but it is not planet Earth. You feel me? You need to understand that. And you need to know that these people are lying. So whenever they talk about Earth, they talk about space. They don't want you to know what the real Earth is, which is Tafadal Scripts, this Church of Jesus Christ and Joel. They don't want you to know what the real Earth is. So if you understand what the real Earth is, then your mind will wonder about aliens and why they're not showing aliens. You feel me? Because the Bible said in Revelation 13, and the inhabitants of the earth, whose name was not written in the book of life, will follow the beast and worship the beast. So that means there's the inhabitants of earth. Everybody, people inhabitants of earth, different planets of people there. But they cannot get to different planets because God, we separate them and put them miles apart. Millions of miles apart. So they don't have enough fuel of fuel substance that will take them miles, millions of miles, and billions of miles, or trillions of miles to these different locations. And that's what I want to say. So that's why people, planet Earth, it's not really Earth. It is space. Because the Bible called Earth dark and formless and void. There were spaces. Without the planets, it is formless and it is void. Even with the planets, it is formless. The only forms are the planets and the stars from the solar systems throughout the universe, or the galaxies or multi-universes. So I just want to point that out to you. The Earth is space, not planet Earth.